Hey guys, Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com, and I want to share something exciting. So our company just launched something called the 60-Hour Reboot. It is a cleanse and a fast, and if you've never done a cleanse or a fast before, I love them. Here's why I love them. It's not something that you use for like lasting weight loss. It's something that's great to get you ready for an event. It's something that's great to help you transition from whatever style of eating that you're currently doing into a healthier diet. It's basically 3 days, usually 3 days, that you don't have to focus on what you're going to eat. Everything is laid out for you. You just follow a simple plan. You don't have to worry if you're going over, going under, hitting the right macros. It's kind of like a no-brainer. For me, it always helps me with bloat. It always helps me get my mindset right. And then whenever you come out of the cleanse, you're able to transition right into your healthy lifestyle. So it's a really great way to break bad habits. When I found out that Pruvit had created this cleanse, this reboot, I was so excited to try it. And I haven't tried it yet, but it came today, so I want to show you what's in it. So this is what it comes in. Well, it came in a box, but it's called the Keto Reboot and Optimization. This is brand new. This is exciting. So let me show you what's in it. So you get 4 packets of the Keto Max raspberry lemonade. This is caffeinated, and then you also get 2 packets of the Keto Max raspberry lemonade caffeine-free. So Keto Max is our most advanced formula. It has the highest percentage of ketones in it per serving, and it really helps boost your brain power, brain optimization. Raspberry lemonade formula is delicious. It's probably the most popular flavor. It might be tied with Maui Punch, but it's really, really yummy. As of right now, this is the only flavor option that we have, but it's so good. So so then we have 3 packets of this Keto Comte. This is also something new that we just came out with a couple months ago. The Keto Comte is specifically designed to help you wind down at night. So instead of reaching for your glass of wine when you get home and you're cooking dinner, you can drink one of these teas that has the same amount of ketones in it as a normal Keto OS serving, but it also is mixed with tea. It's mixed with some other things to help you relax and sleep better. So this is really great for transitioning between your workday and your home life. It's very relaxing. And we have 2 different flavors. So there's a chocolate, which I thought chocolate tea was going to taste really gross. It actually tastes a lot like a hot chocolate. So it's really good. You can add a little bit of heavy whipping cream to this to make it a little thicker, more like a hot chocolate, or you could add some almond milk. And then the other flavor that we have is caramel apple. I'm a huge hot tea fan. I think it's great just in general for helping curb cravings. So the next thing that we have, and we got to try this when we were in Boca Raton, Florida a couple weeks ago for EPIC, which is our annual conference, is bone broth. So I know you've heard bone broth. It's been all over the news about how good it is for you. The collagen, it's good for your joints, it's good for your skin, it's good for your hair, nails, skin, everything. Bone broth, so let's see what this is. We have 2 flavors. You get 2 of each. One is salted caramel, gut-friendly superfood, skin, muscle, detox, and supports healthy joints. And then the other flavor that we have is Keto Time. So this one's going to be more like a traditional sort of bone broth flavor. I'm excited to have these actually. And then the last thing that comes in your kit is this Signal OS, which is just these little capsules and the operating system that signals cell-to-cell interaction and DNA repair for optimized human performance energy, cognition, and longevity. No caffeine, and these are gluten-free. So this is really exciting. It's unlike most of the cleanses, most of the detoxes that I've tried before that are really sort of focused on just your weight and food habits and things like that. This is really gonna designed to help increase your brain function, your energy. It's really like a total body reset. In addition to, I'm sure I'm gonna lose some bloat and clear out some inflammation and some things that are lurking in my gut. So I'm excited about this. I will keep you updated. I plan on doing a daily video diary when I do start this. So I can't wait to share my results.